What up? As you guys see in the title, we'll get into that a little later, but I'm back in Hawaii. This isn't an old video. I know the last video I posted was something I recorded last time I was here, but this is me recording this video on Thursday. You guys are most likely watching this on Friday. Live drawing is on Saturday at 5 p.m. EST. But we are back at JDM Hawaii. We're here because you guys are amazing and K-Cars are amazing and the content I'm creating has been pushing the envelope and Slater has been doing really good on sales. So he invited me back out here. I think that I'm not gonna talk too much about it just yet, but maybe I will be moving to Hawaii during winter. So maybe from like January, February, March, around that time, or maybe like late December, January, February. Just because, as you guys know, obviously, I'm not gonna talk too much about it, but long story short, it's cold and windy and dark in New York during those months. As you guys know, I obviously make content. A lot of my content is outside, and if it's cold, dark, and windy, and I can't really make a lot of content, it might make sense for me to come to Hawaii during those months and essentially work at JDM Hawaii, make a bunch of cool content, drive some cars, meet some people, maybe build my own K-car over here. So that's something that's in the works, but as you guys can see, I am back in Hawaii. And you already know the first place I wanted to stop, JDM Junkyard. I spoke about this, I feel like a good amount last time I was here. I know Simon King wanted to mess some mech stuff. Now that I'm here, if you want some more eyes, I can help you out. This Domingo, I know some people wanted to part this out, but it's not. This one is a part out. This one, I think they're doing some engine work. Cool thing about this one is that it's actually a Suzuki Every, not a sandbar. I know most people think when they see the VW kit, it automatically is a sandbar, but it's not. Then we got a Mazda. And then another cool thing I can do while I'm here is I'll talk to this guy right here, this genius. These two geniuses, honestly. And we'll learn more about the K-Swap Jimny. So stay tuned for that. And then comment below what you guys want to see while I'm here. Maybe I'll drive this M-Track. Maybe I'll drive that blue Domingo that we didn't drive last time. Then we got the man of the hour right here. Already getting dirty? What's going on?
Yeah, look, they're doing body. Let's look at that. Doing body work. Hey, Robert.
Oh, wow, they are doing body work. But yeah, look. This is a new addition to the JDM Hawaii parts department. If you have a Pajero, shout out to the homie Steven in Miami who got a Pajero. Shout out to Mendy Imports. Steven, if you need something, there's definitely some parts here for you. What would I take off this? Maybe like the shift knob if you needed that. This spare tire cover definitely has some value. If you have a Pajero that doesn't have this spoiler, I would look into that. I'll put Slater's email on the screen right now if you're interested in anything. Keep in mind, shipping from Japan to mainland is expensive, but at least shipping from Hawaii to mainland isn't that bad. And you have someone like me who can, you know, take a video of this mirror. Let's say yours is broken on your Pajero, and I can show you, hey, you know, you're speaking to someone who speaks English, and the transaction is just that much easier. And then, yeah, if you have a Pajero that doesn't have fog lights or that bar, something else, even this guy, maybe I take that for myself, throw it on the blueberry lemon. But yeah, if this one wasn't, there's actually like a lot of these parts cars are, you know, stuff that I would love to buy. Like if this was around me, maybe around, I don't know, less than like 3 G's, I'd buy this. I'd get a fender from Japan. I'd fix the door so it can close all the way, and then it'd just be like a cheap off-roader. It's stick shift turbo. I popped the hood. I was hoping that there'll be some cool stuff under here. Maybe like an intake or blow valve, but it's a normal stock. Still turbo though. Pajero. Still got the Japanese battery. But yeah, if you need anything under here, maybe even the whole engine. If you're on the outer islands or you're on Oahu, need some stuff for your Pajero. All my Hawaii homies, where are you at? And then this is another one that he's transforming. This one, I think they're just working on. I wouldn't say it's a parts car. I think this one they're still trying to finish. I think you guys told me this is like a Mitsuoka Gala or something like that. And then over here, looks like they're taking the engine out of this powder clutch Clover 4 Subaru sandbar. Working on that. Maybe it'll go there. What else we got? Shout out to the homie Jimny. I forgot this car's still here. Let me walk over to this extremely clean Jimny with a blown engine. Maybe if I live out here, this would be my car. Can you imagine we K-swap this? Like the same way he did with the yellow one, but I'm here to document everything. Wow. That in itself is a driving force for me to live in Hawaii for a couple months. Just imagine a K-swap Jimny. And then when I'm done, kind of similar to Japan, I just ship it back home. This one even got the cool speakers up there. Seat covers all around. I guess let's pop the hood. This car is clean, new shocks, new everything. I think they rebuilt it, everything. I don't know what happened. Even has the racks up there. Can you imagine if we K-swap this in Hawaii, ship it back to Los Angeles and drive it back? The amazing content that will come from that. Looks like they might be already working on it. Oh yeah, look, the shocks are... Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Pump the brakes, guys. Pump the brakes. This one might be staying with me. Then we got in a Tri twin cam, which is cool. David actually has one of these on tri-spokes coming soon. Then we got this Jimny. Nice J22. I actually love the steely wheels with that maroon. Then we got a couple high jets, raccoon. I think this might be a customer's car also. If not, I know a lot of people want some stuff off this. Actually, someone just messaged me about taillights. Let me walk over to the other van. I think Slater has taillights for sale though. If I'm being 100% honest, I would say it's more than likely that he has taillights for sale. Nice Acti. Cool Alta Works. Anybody needs stuff off a Clover 4. Another Subaru. This is super cool. We gotta learn the story on this guy. Maybe this is my Hawaii car while I'm here. I wonder what bolt pattern that is. Gotta get some tries on this thing ASAP. I'm gonna have you guys ship me some tries from mainland. Oh wow, look at those lights down there. I wonder if that's factory. Where's even the reverse light on this thing? I don't even see a white bulb, but that's cool. Couple sandbars. This thing sold right away. I wonder if this is good to drive because it's turbo. I don't think I ever drove. Oh no, this one needs a fuel tank. This one needs some stuff too. They're still ordering parts for that. And then this is the Domingo I was talking about earlier. This was a Valentina's favorite car. This was a lot of you guys' favorite car. How can you beat that interior? How can you beat the way this thing looks? So that's nice. These are the wheels that are potentially gonna go on my midget, depending on what happens on the giveaway. We got a nice High Ace. We got a red High Jet. And then we still gotta go to the sales department because I'm not even sure what car I'm gonna be driving. I think I might take a Honda Accord wagon. I almost walked past this thing. Don't really know the story on this. Gotta wait for Slater to tell me why this is here. But it's electric, which is pretty cool. And I guess you could say it's a K-van. It's definitely bigger than a K-van, but not by much. Tell me why I'm about to head to JDM Hawaii, the dealership, And I'm walking around and I'm like, hold on, what is this doing here? And why does it look like this? Last time I drove it, we had some coolant issues. So that's probably why that looks like that. But hold on, guys. If there's any car I'm gonna be driving while I'm out here, I think it makes sense for it to be this one. I'm not gonna spill the beans on what's going on with this guy. I'll save that for Patreon, but I was wondering where my car was.
Here we go again.
So I just made it to JDM Hawaii. We got this very nice Honda Beat here. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to drive this. I owned a Beat. We wrapped it, put the intake, changed the rims, painted it. We did a lot of things with my Beat. Did maintenance. But if you guys want me to drive this one, maybe they did some stuff to it. I know they definitely did an exhaust, but most of this all looks cosmetic if I'm being honest. And then we got the Murgino there. Let's walk outside. There's some cars that are gone. And then I think there's 1 or 2 new additions. But this is actually sold. These Hi-Jets were here last time. I might be driving this Accord. This was supposed to be my car for today, but I guess not. So maybe I'll drive this one again. If you guys remember this, I was whipping this thing. Maybe I'll go back in the Gino. That's funny. Yeah, maybe I'll drive this again. This thing was holding me down last time. And then some people have been asking what that hole in my dash is for my Blueberry Lemon. It's this. So I actually have one coming soon. This was $40. But finally, hopefully by the time I get back, that'll be there. This Largo's a new addition. This Delica's kind of a new addition. That was here last time. What else is kind of new? Super Jumbo. Maybe I'll drive this along with that one, because I kind of just showed it in that last video. I didn't drive it too much. But me and Valentina drove that. I drove that as well. I think this one is turbo. I don't see plates on it yet, but I would love to drive this. I'm really just trying to drive a turbo Suzuki Every. Then we got some streets. This mini cab is sold. I'll drive the Lotties if you guys want me to do that. This guy's also sold. And cool thing about this is that they're cutting a window as well. So I wish that I could send Slater some videos, but this is gonna be like they're gonna put like a keg in the back and then have like a bar, like the spouts, whatever those are called. So they're gonna cut this as well. And me and Slater were actually talking about that for a while because they wanted to reuse this as well. And the same person in Hawaii told them it's just impossible, just because if you cut this, there's gonna be a gap. There's just no way that it'll fill. Like, you know how mine is cut and it goes over? It just won't work that way. But shout out to this person. I love to see mirror walkthroughs in the wild. Nice over fenders, rims. We got Kong. We got a Prado. All those are sold. Maybe I'll drive this Jumbo as well. And I think that's pretty much it. Let me know, like I said, in the comments what you guys want to see. Maybe I'll be back here more and more. Wow, I've never seen a carry with California mirrors before. That's dope. Never ever in my whole K-car existence have I seen that. Ooh, look, even cup holders. This person held it down. But yeah, let me find out what car I'm driving. Probably gonna be that. Thank you guys for watching. Day 1 in Hawaii. We got a lot to go. The Jimny that I was driving a lot is gone. The Bozozoku's gone. What else was here last time? The Murgino with the stripe is gone. That FRS sounds turbo, which is sick. Maybe I'll drive that RAV4. We got a Honda Street. A lot of cool stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Fresh off an 11-hour flight. Catch you on the next one. Peace.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.